In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly use your Gaussian blur filter. Now, this is a Gaussian blur it's a type of blur that can be used for so many things. It's probably one of the more used blurs that Photoshop offers. So it's really simple to do. So what you're going to want to do is click the layer to use the Gaussian blur. It's really used to pull focus to something else in your composition. So what you're going to want to do is go to Filter, scroll down to Blur, and then go to Gaussian Blur. I'm going to choose to blur the background here. I have Simba from The Lion King sitting here, and here it gives you a little bit of a preview. You can check this off, but you can see it, in a real time here, and that in itself will pull focus into a different subject matter that you want to pull focus in, or maybe create depth in a certain composition that you want. So really quick, that's it. I mean, there's really not much to it. You can make it really bad and just make it terrible looking, or you can really hone it in and make it look a little bit more natural if you don't want a super clear background. And that's it. That's how you use your Gaussian blur in Photoshop, and I hope this helps.